3, 4, and 5. Fix and push. So 1, 2, 3. Good work. And now take this side. We will starting working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good work. Take feet on yourself and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much. Subscribe me and we will continue our stretch. Hello everybody, today we're stretching our legs and stretch feet. So let's start with me. So we start from this position. We will take in this side and start working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Try to see and working with the back leg. So 1, take slowly more, 2, 3, 4, 5. Catch my leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try stretching this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And we go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly taking this side and try stretching the split.